Out of our current world population of 7.9 billion people, around 2.6 billion cook using polluting open fires or simple stoves fueled by kerosene, biomass like wood, and coal. We'll take a look at two different technologies, one very simple cooking solution for the world's poorest, and one more advanced and affordable cooking solution that can literally change people's lives.
In sub-Saharan Africa, which is home to more than 1 billion people, this simple act of cooking requires a lot of wood, is damaging the health of families and destroying forests. According to the World Health Organization, an estimated 4 million premature deaths resulting from indoor air pollution associated with biomass cooking occur globally per year. How can we help these families and also reduce deforestation? At times, you don't need the most advanced technology to make a big impact. Let's take a look at Malawi, one of the poorest countries in Africa, with a gross national income per capita of just $580 per year. According to the World Bank, less than half of the sub-Saharan population has access to electricity. With electricity, cooking can be easy, but most people in Malawi are not connected to the grid, so many still cook their food over open fires. Since 2012, Ripple Africa, a non-profit organization, has helped communities in Malawi to replace so-called three-stone cooking fires by 47,000 fuel-efficient cook stoves that can be built using local materials and that require only 1/3 the amount of wood, which helps to preserve forests. Annually, this saves 3 tons of carbon emissions per cook stove. They call it Jango Jango Moto, which means fast fire because cooking is so much quicker. The fire in the cook stoves is contained and is therefore much safer with less risk of burns. Ripple Africa allows you to offset 10 tons of carbon each year for just £10 per month. That's perhaps equal to offsetting your yearly carbon emissions for just $165. In the United States, though, the average CO2 emissions per person is about 14 tons of carbon dioxide per annum, if you exclude the emissions of foreign traded goods. For the richer countries in Africa like Kenya, with a GNI per capita of $1,840 in 2020, more advanced technology is available at affordable prices. The company Burn has manufactured over 1 million fuel-efficient cook stoves since 2011 that require considerably less wood, while producing only very little smoke compared to traditional cooking methods. They want to bring cheaper biomass cook stoves, as well as a new range of electric, hybrid, and liquid fuel stoves to sub-Saharan Africa. Charcoal production is a major driver of deforestation in sub-Saharan Africa. Hence, their stoves help to preserve forests and biodiversity. Burn stoves cook faster than traditional stoves. The significant savings of time, both for cooking and collecting wood, a job that is usually done by women, allows women to utilize their time for other needs like education and income-generating activities or growing food like maize, potatoes, and beans. Indoor air pollution like smoke and carbon monoxide is reduced significantly, resulting in a decrease in respiratory diseases, headaches, and itchy eyes. Burn stoves, which are manufactured in Kenya by the way, require an initial investment but pay off over time due to the savings in burning material like charcoal and wood. One single stove reduces greenhouse gas emissions by up to 4.46 tons of carbon dioxide per annum. If you want to help combat climate change, you can offset your carbon dioxide emissions with burned carbon offsets. Each carbon credit is equivalent to 1 ton of avoided CO2 emissions and currently costs $20. Burn has won numerous international awards like the Bloomberg New Energy Pioneers Award in 2018 or the Affordability Prize Award in the 2020 Global Leap Awards for one of their electric stoves. It does not cost a fortune to improve the life quality of an African family and also help protect the environment and reduce greenhouse gas emissions at the same time.